Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2011 Harley-Davidson Road King Trike with 31,633 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a TRIKE kit, air-adjustable rear shocks with an onboard compressor, an open-air intake, tachometer, grips, headlight and driving light visors, passenger footboard covers, footboard inserts, shift pegs, a foot brake pedal, shift rod, luggage rack, and numerous lift-to-ride accessories. It comes from the factory with cruise control and ABS. Powered by Harley's reputed 96 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Road King puts out 101 foot-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPM. With ample storage space and comfortable accommodations, it would be an excellent choice for a touring vehicle. It has a stock weight of 782 pounds and a seat height of 28.1 inches. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.